Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to check firmware version and update. To check firmware of your keyboard, let's go to Launcher and KEYCHRON and go to Firmware Update. Right here you can check current version and latest version. To update the keyboard, tap Next and now download toolbox. After unzipping Toolbox, right-click the Toolbox icon and run as administrator to open it. Open it and click on the menu Tool. Next, install drivers. Let me show you. Next, click on the menu Tools, install drivers, and now you have to wait. After completing this process, you can close this window and tap Next to start the process of flashing the firmware. Match device, select your keyboard and connect. Next, tap Flash firmware. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.